Hello and welcome to Easy Blender channel. In order to import videos in your Blender, you must first add an object, a plane. Upscale it, rotate it, go to shading and click on new. You can see a new material is added. Now press Shift A and search for image texture. And from here open the video you want to play. You must choose a number of frames here by the length of your video. I randomly choose 4000. And start frame on 0 and click on auto refresh. Now you have to extend the number of frames in your timeline. Let's give it 4000 and from here go to frame 0. Now if you press space, the video starts to play. Let's rotate it.